Hey there. In this video, we're going to be having a look at how we can convert some improper fractions to mixed numerals. What we have here is an improper fraction because our numerator, the number on the top, is bigger than the number on the bottom. To show you what 7/4 looks like, I'm going to just use a diagram. Here is a circle and we're going to cut it in half and then into quarters. So we've got 4 equal pieces. And I could colour those quarters. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to need another circle because we need 7/4. Okay, so we've got 4, then it's 5, 6, 7/4. That's what 7/4 is going to look like. We could start by writing 7/4 is the same as 4/4, which is this piece, plus 3/4, which is this piece. So we've got 7/4 is the same as 4/4 plus 3/4. I'm going to put an equal sign here, so it's the same as. This 4/4 is the same as 1 whole, isn't it? So I'm just going to write that as a 1 whole. I'm going to write plus the 3/4 here is, I'm just going to keep that as 3/4. And 1 plus 3/4 is the same as 1 and 3/4. That's my mixed numeral. So we've gone from 7/4 to 1 3/4. Let's have a look at another one. This one is 9/5. I'm just going to do this one a little bit differently just to show you another way. I'm going to put some working space on the right hand side. Now I know 5/5 is the same as 1 whole, isn't it? So I could rewrite 9/5 as 5/5 plus, now if I've taken 5 out of here, then I've got 4 left, so then I've got 4/5. Then I could write the equal sign below it. Since I know 1 is the same as 5/5, I could rewrite this 5/5 as just the number 1 and write plus 4/5, which is the same as 1 4/5. Let's have a look at another one. This time I've got 14/4 is the same as, we don't know yet. I'm going to start by making a space for me to do my workings. So I know 4/4 is equal to 1 whole. If 4/4 is equal to 1 whole, 8/4 must be equal to 2 wholes, and 12/4 must be equal to 3 wholes. I'm going to stop there because 12 is pretty close to 14 and that uses up most of those quarters. So instead of 14/4, I could write 12/4 plus, and I know 14 take 12 is going to be equal to 2. So I'm going to write 2/4 is the same as. Now I know 12/4 is equal to 3, and I've got 12/4 here. So I could write that as 3 wholes plus 2/4. And I can write that as 3 2/4. Once again, this bit on the right hand side, this is really the key to doing this. All right, so I've got 11 halves this time is equal to, let's make some space. So I know 2 halves is equal to 1. 2 more halves is going to give us 4 halves, is going to be equal to 2. 6 halves is going to be equal to 3. 8 halves is going to be equal to 4. And 10 halves is going to be equal to 5. I'm going to stop there because I'm up to 10 halves already and I've only got 11 halves to work with. So I'm going to rewrite the 11 halves as 10 halves plus, not sure yet. And if we have 11 and we've got 10 already written, we know 10 plus 1 is going to be equal to 11. So I'm going to put the other half there. Equals, I know 10 halves is equal to 5. So I'm going to write 5 plus 1 half, and that's going to be the same as 5 and a half. I really like doing it like this because I think it really helps you to see what's going on and not just get the right answer, but actually understand why that's the right answer. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.